Hi, I'm Chuck Shaver with the Shaver Group with Keller Williams Heritage Realty. I'm here today at 3005 Garden Road in Eustis, Florida. This fully remodeled home has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and right around 1,408 square feet. It is a gardener's paradise. In the backyard, there are all sorts of raised garden beds. There's a cover over one of them that kind of breaks up some of the sun. It's just a fantastic home. Furthermore, it's located super close to downtown Eustis, Mount Dora, and the 429, and it's part of the Lake Joanna Property Owners Association. So if you want, now it's voluntary, you can join this Property Owners Association and have full access to Lake Joanna and the whole playground pavilion area. Come on, let's take a look inside. So that concludes the tour of this beautiful home today. If you have additional questions about this property or any other property throughout Central Florida, pick up the phone and give us a call. Thanks for watching.